ओहो, अरे कुछ करो तब रेस। देखो आप भी पैसे कमाएंगे, मुझे भी पैसे कमाना है। वी आर मेक मनी। बॉटम लाइन इज
इंशाल्लाह।
दैट इज दिस थिंग, राइट? ऐसा नहीं कि हम ईमान से कमाएंगे। विल वर्क हार्ड, विल गिव द सर्विस।
सही, बिकॉज सही नियत से सही फैसला है ना।
हाँ, तो आई
हाँ।
वांट टू वर्क।
हम्म। सही सही है। इंशाल्लाह हम
तो
भी कुछ करेंगे। देखिए जुमा में जाकर थोड़ा फ्लायर्स वगैरह बांट दे।
हाँ, तो आपको इफ यू वांट एनी कॉस्टिंग फॉर द प्रिंटिंग फॉर दिस थिंग।
ना ना ना, नहीं तनको नहीं भाई।
और जितने भी।
मेरा काम पे बड़का रिको वो है, बड़का रिको प्रिंटर है।
हाँ, अच्छा।
उस उसमें 4 ट्रे, तो एक ट्रे में लगभग 5,000 पेज जाता है। वो बड़का वाला है। उस उसी में हम निकाल देंगे।
तो प्रिंट करके कंपनीज में, मस्जिद में, और डिफरेंट मस्जिद में आप कैसे करोगे लगती
ना
है?
तो मैं 2 मस्जिद अभी जानता हूँ। एक तो हमारा जो पुराना इस्लामिक सेंटर है यहाँ पर, और दूसरा
हाँ,
हमारे बाजू में है, वो
हाँ,
पाकिस्तान के है।
हाँ,
तो इंशाल्लाह मैं वहां पर जाऊंगा। देखिए संडे को मौलाना
हाँ,
से बात कर फ्लायर वहां पे धर दूंगा।
हाँ, हाँ।
और एक और दो दो मुसलमान हलाल मार्केट भी है वहां पर,
हम्म।
तो उसमें भी धर दूंगा इंशाल्लाह।
अच्छा।
2-3 ऐसे दुकानें मैं जानता हूँ,
हम्म।
तो मैं इंशाल्लाह वहीं में धर दूंगा।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
तो वेलकम से बंदा लोग आएंगे चीज लेने के लिए, तो देखेंगे थोड़ा
हाँ।
हाँ। तो इंशाल्लाह चलो, अल्लाह पाक कहीं ना कहीं जगह से इंशाल्लाह एक रास्ता चुनेगा ना।
इंशाल्लाह देखते हैं।
उसी तरह हम मिल पाते, उसी तरह करना चाहिए ना।
हाँ, करेक्ट।
हम्म।
हम यूट्यूब पे लाइव हो गए अभी।
ओके, सो बिजनेस टॉक।
ओके।
So yesterday you guys discuss about TCP/IP ना?
TCP/IP, दैट्स इट।
Oh, okay.
और कुछ हम बेसिक लैब मैंने पढ़ाया उनको, हाउ दैट दिस ओएसए लेयर में हाउ इट विल
हम्म,
पिंग कमांड्स, मैंने पैकेट कैप्चर करके बताया था। ओके।
हम्म,
टुडे आल्सो विल रिपीट द सेम लैब।
okay.
ओके, मीनवाइल लेट देम जॉइन।
हम्म,
तो अभी फर्स्ट विल स्टार्ट विथ आईपी एड्रेसिंग।
okay.
ओके, सो
हम्म।
I think now you can see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see nice and clear.
See, the first thing is what is the size of IP address, Tabriz, before I start the questions, because it's very important topic.
Size is 32-bit.
Okay, so how many octet?
1, 2, 3, 8.
8 octet.
Yeah.
It has 4 octet, not 8 octet.
Oh, 4 octet, right.
4 octets. Okay, so
Four,
IP
four,
address. So what is IP address, Tabriz? Before we, I'm comfortable रहो मुझसे, ठीक है?
Yes,
मैं
it's a
तुम्हारा
internet.
उस्ताद हूँ। मैं तुम्हारा उस्ताद हूँ।
It's an internet protocol
Yes, yes.
where the computers they communicate each other with the IP through IP addresses, so they communicate each other.
Okay, fine. Good. Okay.
Mm. And
So
there
what
is a
kind of
thing,
IP address is this? What kind of IP address is that?
let's say broadcast.
Okay, it's okay. Very good. Broadcast. Fair enough.
And it has
Hmm.
there I think 4 types of IP.
Okay.
IP, yeah. Just guessing.
Okay.
I think one is a public IP,
Mm-hmm.
one is a private IP.
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
The other two I forgot. I have to recall.
Okay. Okay. it is a 32-bit
Hmm.
address, right?
Yes. Oh, the another two is I think public, private, static, and dynamic. Sorry, my bad.
Yes, good, fair enough. Okay, so it has divided into by dotted format, right?
Yeah.
By dot, it has been divided format.
Yeah.
Okay, and next thing is, what else? It is a logical address. Okay, I will send you this notebook. Okay, rather than writing that.
Okay. Okay.
Right. After I'll say this, I'll put it in chat box. You can see that.
Okay.
No need to write anything. Use a digital. We are in digital world now.
Yeah.
After a few years, I think if anybody see the paper, they can understand what is this. Okay.
Yeah.
And it is a decimal format, right? It is a decimal format. Okay. It also supports what it supports. It supports versions.
IP versions, yeah.
Means IPv4 can able to communicate with IPv6, right? Right. And this is very important topic, Tabriz. Please, you have to pay some attention today. Okay. Supports unicast. Then multicast and broadcast. This IP address, it will support unicast, multicast, and broadcast. Then it also support the subnetting. We can do the subnetting. We'll do the subnetting. If you have some departments in your bank, okay, admin departments, caching department, online transactions, any issues, different. Each department has got different computers, so we can assign accordingly. That also will take one scenario, and we'll do some subnetting. Okay, so what else? See, it also support FLSM, fixed length subnet mask. It also support VLSM. Okay, I will write it down here. Fixed length subnet mask. Okay, and this is variable
length subnet mask.
Okay, so even it will also support for super rating. So this is the basic thing we can see, because these topics what I have written here, very important things. What is the IP address? I'm not talking about the IPv4 or IPv6. Still, okay, this is the just IP addressing. So what I have written there, okay, it's just the IP addressing scheme. So it has got 32-bit. Okay, how 32-bit? How you write the in binary format?
1 1 1.
So let's start with 0, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, write it down here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, this is the actually IP address. Remember this. This is the actually IP address. Okay. This is one octet. Okay. This is second octet. This is third octet, and this is your fourth octet. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So each octet contains how many bits?
8 bits.
8 bits, right? And this is also 8 bits. And this is also 8 bits. And this is also 8 bits. So it will become how much?
32.
32 bits. Means each IP address contain your 32 bits.
32 bits.
It has divided into dotted format, right? We can see this is the dotted format.
Yeah.
Divided into your dotted format. It is a logical address. This is, you will call it as a logical address. It's not a physical address. The physical address is your, this all what we'll call, this is your logical address. This is your logical address. Okay, and the physical address is, which is the physical address?
It's the MAC address.
Right? MAC address here is your physical address. Now, it is a decimal format. So what is a decimal format? Maybe we'll take one example. 192.168 like 1.0/24. So this is your decimal format. And it support the version, means this is IPv4 address, right?
Mhm.
So it has got able to communicate with your IPv6 as well, which is 128 bit. Okay, we'll also discuss IPv6 as well.
Yeah.
Right, so 128 bit.
Mhm.
So now it supports unicast, multicast, broadcast. Means if you have the network, okay, which you are running, this is one network, this is second network, they're all into the one organizations. Okay, so if you send, suppose you are using the IPv4 here, so IPv4 here as well. Means if you send any unicast message, means you want to send the only specific PC in this organization, okay, we can send. Okay, if you want to send a multicast, okay, multicast except these departments. Example, this is my department 1, 2, 3. I want to send only to these two guys, not to this. Okay, it also support, that is called multicasting. Broadcasting means
Let's send it to everyone. All the
send
departments.
to all the departments. Right. So your IP addressing supports this type of concepts. Subnetting, because you know, if you have this network, do you know how many IP address will get here? How many IP address will get here?
25, right?
Okay, so this is 192.168. This is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1. Up to how many?
25.
Up to 255.
Yes.
Okay, that we should discuss. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I'll tell you how it will become 255. Fine. So fixed length subnet mask. Okay, fixed length is nothing but your /24. Okay, so like this, if you talk about this is which this is your class C IP address.
C.
This is a class C. Okay,
Mhm.
and for the class B, for example, this is my 172. Let me remove this. So 172.16.1.0/16. Okay, /16 is nothing but your class B. If you talk about class A, say I'll write like 10.10.10.1/8. Okay, that we should discuss more deeper. Okay, coming class.
Mhm.
So now variable length subnet mask. So suppose you know when you're done the subnetting, so your variable length keep changing. Okay, that we shall discuss now. Super rating also we can do it. Okay, why we are doing so these topics we shall discuss more details now. I hope this understood, right, Corperate?
Yeah.
No
Yes, sir.
questions, right?
No.
Okay. So now we can see IP address again. This is little bit this thing interesting, the IP addressing. I think you might know about, I don't know. Okay. So IP address has been classified in three types. First, they have come up with IP v4, then IP v5, that is then again IP v6.
V6, yeah.
Okay. So now IP v4 is your 32-bit,
Yes,
and this is 64-bit,
64.
and this is your 128-bit IPv6. Now, so this IPv6 is a failure version. So many people don't know about it.
Mhm.
Failure version, IP v5. So now that the reasons they are not using that. So right now we are using IPv4 and IPv6. We'll also discuss the IPv6, and we'll also do the configuration using IPv6. Understood, right? This one.
Yes.
Okay. So now, Tabrez, this is very important things. You have to remember this one. Say, this is a one octet, right? This is octet. I will write short form. Octet 2, octet 3, octet 4. So now, so what I'm going to do now, so you have to pay, I will write it down here.
So just give me about, just give me 1 minute. I'm just my check on my kids is eating the food or no.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Yeah. Okay. बच्चे खाना खा रहे हैं?
हाँ, खा रहे।
Good.
छोटी बच्ची को मेरे ससुर जी खिला रहा है।
हाँ,
हाँ,
good. ठीक है. Okay, so let's pay these some attentions here. Okay, let's do now. I think you're familiar with this one, right? This value, this is 1 octet. These all are 1 octet.
yes.
Okay, you have to remember this. Okay, so I think you're familiar with the different classes, right? Do you remember, right?
Class A, B, and C, the IP.
Yeah. So different types of
yes.
classes, okay? So classes type. The first one is class A. So do you know what is the range for the class A? 0 to 126, correct?
6, yeah.
Then class B starts from 128 to 191.
191, yeah.
Okay, is there something missing? We are missing here. One 192 to
255.
223.
223.
Hmm.
Okay.
Class D, I will tell you that, don't worry. 224 to 239. Remember this. Okay. Class E starts from here 242 till your 255. Equal, because I don't want to this one, so we are not using this one. I think you might know, right? So let's do some discussion about this. Why this range, how this range has been come. Right. So I think you might notice, so 127 is missing here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Right, 127 is missing. This is the fixed range. Class A 0 to 126. Class B 128 to 191. Class C 192 to 224. Okay. Class D 224 to 239. See, 127.0.0.0, it is used for loopback. What is a loopback? Loopback is a virtual IP. So where we can assign for the interface. Okay. So example, okay, this is my router. Okay, I have some interfaces which is connected, down switches. I have connected some computers. Okay, this is a physical interface, right?
Yeah.
Okay, physical interface. So I will give some IP address to the physical interface. So 192.168.1.1/24. Suppose if I give this IP address by using, say, example 127.0.0.0, okay, for as a loopback. So this loopback will never come down. By default, it is up. This physical address, it may come down at any time. No need to give no shutdown command. The moment if you create this IP address, so automatically it will come up. Automatically come up. This is used for especially for testing and diagnosis of your NIC cards or interface. If you got any issue with things, what we'll do, we'll assign the loopback IP address for that interface and we'll check the connectivity. That's the main purpose of your loopback.
So while like putting the typing in the command, so for the
Hmm.
loopback, we don't put no shut, right? Just
No shut. Automatically it will come up. No need to give no
okay.
shutdown. Automatic. That is a function of your loopback. And second
Mhm.
function is the loopback is to diagnosis the your interface. If you got any, if interface is not working, maybe your end user devices, your laptop, desktop, or router, switches, firewall, might be anything. If the interface is
Mhm.
not working, what we'll do, we'll assign the IP address, loopback IP address, then we'll check the connectivity. Then we can come to
Okay.
know that the physical interface is working or not
Okay. Through loopback IP, no?
to loopback IPs.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, no. Now 224, okay, this is specially used for multicasting. Remember that. So I think you might have heard about this one, some protocol, right? So OSPF,
Yes.
RIP,
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 EGRP.
GRP, and you have the ISIS, you have BGP,
Yes.
right? So each routing protocol, okay, it has the multicast IP.
Mhm.
Okay, so if you talk about the OSPF, so OSPF has the two IP. Okay, DRV, I think that is 224.0.0.5. So 224.0.0.6 multicast IP. I'll tell you what is multicast IP, why they use it. In coming session, I will tell you that.
Okay.
So now you tell me, okay, in class A, how many IP address will get? So which, how many, I'm talking about, which is the first octet belongs to which network portion or host portion? That we shall discuss. See, in
So
the,
I think,
yeah.
sir,
Hmm.
just give me 5 minutes. The IC guy is here to check the AC.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
just
Go
give.
ahead.
Yeah, yeah.
Go
Thank
ahead.
you,
Go ahead.
sir.
No problem. Good morning, Hafiz.
Yeah, good morning.
Hey, nice to see you, man. Again.
Yeah,
And today's topic is IP addressing, man.
okay.
Oh, Tabrez Ali is he's doing some personal work. He has taken just 5 minutes break.
Okay.
Okay, so what is the time now in your country now?
4:22. 4:22.
4:22. Oh, it's very early morning. Huh?
Yeah, very early.
Mm-hmm. Okay, your country name is Sierra Leone, right?
Yes, Sterling, yes.
Okay. So right now we are live in YouTube. Hafiz.
Yeah?
We are live in YouTube.
Yeah, allow me to. I'm not getting it clearly.
Open your YouTube. You can see the live.
Okay, YouTube, okay.
You can check from your side. The live.
Okay, YouTube, okay.
You can check from your side.
Okay, the YouTube is open, but it's like the YouTube delay timing.
Yeah, it's delay. I think 2 or 3 minutes. That's it.
Yeah, something like that.
Mm.
Well, it's good.
So why I'm doing, because some people they want to join because they should come to know that I have started new CCNA training. Later on, I think they will ask me to join. So 1 or 2 guys they want to join. So I forgot his name. He asked me to send his the link. I forgot his name. I forgot his name. There are many people, right? Because they'll contact me. I forgot the names.
Okay.
But I have his number, but I don't know his name. So that I can search.
Okay.
The 2 kids is your daughters.
Yeah, they are. They are
They're-
twins anyway.
Oh, they are twins, mashallah. Very
yeah.
cute. Very cute.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so meanwhile, I think yesterday you were discussing you were planning for ICT center in your country, right? Meanwhile, I think Tabriz will join. He already joined because just now I think he has some personal work. Even he has one daughter.
Oh, okay.
I think he's feeding the break. I think dinner for him in California now.
Oh, all right.
Do you remember IP addressing? Hafiz?
Yeah, remember IP addressing.
Remember, right?
Mm-hmm.
So currently you're working in which organization?
Currently I'm working in a government institution.
Okay.
Yeah, the Corporate Petroleum Directorate. Yeah. So where I am, we use for oil exploration and regulation in Sierra Leone. Yeah. Oh. I'm all set right now. No, I think I'm all set right now.
Yeah. I think he'll join in few minutes. Message me.
No, okay.
So you was planning some ICT center in your country, right?
Well, like I said yesterday, there's something like that I want to do. It's actually an ICT company. It's like ICT firm. It's like a firm. Yeah, to help support businesses, companies, government institution, universities and whatnot. That's the core function of the company. But maybe in the long run, probably we would do training for staffs and anyone, but full-time training for outsiders, no. It's only be accommodating training for just staff of government institution. Yeah, that's what I want to do.
So how our company can support in this, in your new business?
All right, this is how probably sometimes if I'm lucky to have some contract with some big government institution, because mostly the government institution right now, they give the bigger contracts. So sometimes when the work is like that, maybe we won't have that kind of manpower to be able to do whatever we want to do. So sometimes we did a bit of outsource part of the contract. So for example, we take your company to help us do the work, then probably you tell us we share the fees or we share the cost or something like that. So that is if we, for example, I see a contract and I want it, our company wanted, I can also use your company as part of us to bid for the company, to bid for the contract. Yeah.
See, you can plan, just come up with the plan with a systematic roadmap. What is the potential in your country in terms of training, corporate training, technical support to the organizations in their business, even for the government organizations, universities, institutions. We can tie up with many this thing, because I don't know what is the potential in your country, how good they are in IT. It's a good market, it's the right time to start, and who is your competitor there? Is there anybody is running like your same plan? So you have to check it out, these all things.
Yep, definitely I will do that. I'll do all the checkups and see the way forward about it. But I know I'm very optimistic that that I'll be successful. Yes, that's why my company is very young, but it just need time and patience. Happen, yeah. That's by God's grace. Okay.
I don't know why he's
But
taking.
I was the name is Fast. Fast. Okay, you said he came on and went back off, right?
Sorry?
But the other guy, what's his name? The guy from US.
Tabrez Ali. Tabrez Ali.
Oh, okay.
He joined already. I has started the IP addressing. So meanwhile, I think his AC is not working, it seems. One AC technician has entered his home. So he's helping him to get repaired because now the climate is very hot, it seems. So he said morning in California.
Yeah, okay.
How is the climate in your country now?
The what?
Weather in your country.
Oh, it's raining right now. It's raining heavily. It's raining.
Oh, okay.
It's a wet season right now.
Who is your neighbor country, Hafiz?
We'll have Liberia, we'll have Guinea, we'll have Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast. And what about Cameroon? This side? I think you are getting sleepy, Hafiz.
Not really. I'm just reading something.
That's the reason I keep talking to you.
Oh, okay, I understand. Yeah. No, I'm reading over some stuff on the internet. That's why.
Okay. So I'll open one slide. Okay. So please explain to this one. What is this?
Okay.
You can see the slide, right?
Yeah, I can see it.
The moment that Tabrez Ali joined, okay, so you have to teach them this one. Why this class A 1 to 127? How it has given this value?
Hold on, let me just I want to make my screen bigger so I can see clearly.
If you want, I will make it big. Oh.
No, it's too much. You don't have to. You don't have to. It's okay. Wait.
So meanwhile, let me take coffee. Office, Tabaris will join in a few moments. Meanwhile, so please go through this. Okay. Let's see. Think how much you remembered. I think when you go back went from India, I think you forgot many things, man. Right, CCNA, you forgot many things because you was good in the training when you was in Bangalore. I have noticed you.
Let me see. Okay.
This is very important topic, Hafiz.
Yeah.
Give me just 1 minute. I'll have the tea and coffee and come back.
Okay. Okay. The number of networks and the number of hosts. The class can be defined, can be derived by this formula. Number of network. Eight, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is 0. Which is 128. 0. 64. 832. Oh. Yeah, let me see. 64 plus 32 plus 8. No, sorry, not 30, plus 8. Plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Yep. Okay. 128. 255. Firewall. Okay.
I'm so sorry about that, guys. I'm here. Hafiz,
Yep.
I'm here. So sorry for that.
Yep.
So you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Mr. Taj is there? Oh, he's there, I think. one of the guys just came to, my IC was not working, so he came to check my IC.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was not cooling down, so he came and checked. So how's the weather there in Africa?
The weather?
Yeah.
The weather in my, because every part of, in West Africa actually is kind of white right now. In Sierra Leone,
okay.
it's the rainy season right now we are on.
And it's a tropical climate, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, guys, I'm back now. Hafiz,
Mm-hmm.
how much you remembered IP addressing?
Well, IP addressing was my thing because the calculation, everything was correct. I was just looking at it between class A, class B, so forth. Class A, class B, class C. But like you said, I've not been working through it a lot, so I'll have to read through it to get back on track. But as I'm going through it, I'm getting everything I want. You know, yeah, because I noticed from as the diagram is put right now, class 8 range from 0 to 126, which is supposed to be 127. The 27 fall into the look back address of the class A.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you tell me how many possible IP address will get in class A?
Over 1,000 plus. Over 116,000.
Okay.
If I do the calculation.
Okay, this is 8, right?
Yeah,
This
it's
is 8, this is 8, this is 8. So totally 32 bits.
So yes.
Okay, the first octet in the class A belongs to the network portion. Got it? Now, this all 3 octet belongs to your host.
Yeah.
Okay, then how much will come?
Because each host goes 255 is 24.
Yes, 2 power of
24. Yeah, 2 is the power 24.
24. So it will come 16, 7, 7, 7, 2, 1, 4. These are the IP address will get in your class A. Fine. Tabrez, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, fine. You follow what I said. Understand? Because, if you add these 8 plus 8 plus 3, it will become 24.
24, yeah.
2 power of 24, it will become this value. Means in IP, this much of IP address we are getting in your class A.
A, yeah.
Okay, same thing for class B. How much will come? 2 power of 16.
16.
Okay.
You only 2 hosts.
So 2 power of 16, how much will come?
2 times
65,535 IP address. Possible IP address will get. Same thing, 2 power of 8.
8.
How much will come?
8, 2, 4,
for IP address.
255.
Understood?
Yep.
Yes.
Right. 8. So you tell me how this 255?
That means all bits are on.
Right. All these 4 octet is on.
Hosts are on, yeah.
Suppose if you take this thing, okay, all are on, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Okay, if you add this all, okay, it will become
255.
255. Tabrez, you followed, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now. So I think you understood this part, right? Now you tell me, Okay, let's say I will take one of the IP address, example, class C IP address. So 192.168, okay, 1.0. Okay, this is my net mark is obviously 24. Now you tell me why I'm writing this 24 here.
That's the network.
This is subnet mask.
It is subnet mask, yeah.
Subnet mask. For the class A, okay, for the class A, so example, I will write 10.1.1.1/8. Okay, for the class B, so I'll be writing, say,
16.
example, 172.16.1.0/16. How it has come? Why I'm writing like this? Because when you understood this, then it will help you to do the subnetting.
Yeah, because okay, if you look at the network, there's only one the network. If you look at the first the class 8, there's only 8 bits on the network. The rest is 0. That's why I'll get it /8. Because we have 8 bits here is on, the rest is 0 for class A. In class B, we have 16 because 2 bits are on the network and 2 are off on the host.
Yeah.
And the class C, we have 24 because the hosts are 1, 2, 3. No, sorry. The network, we have 24 network. And then the host.
So as simple as this, very simple to understand. See, in the class A, first octet belongs to network ID. Remaining three belongs to the host. In class B, 2 octet belongs to network ID. 2 ID octet belongs to your host ID.
Yeah.
And class C, 3 octet belongs to network ID and last octet belongs to your host ID. Now, so why I'm writing this /8 means this network ID all portion are high.
On, yes.
As if remaining thing all are 0.0.0. Then it will become so 255.0.0.0.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tabre understood?
Yes.
Right. So now same thing for this one, right? How much will become? This also
255.0.0
means I can write this 16.
Yeah.
16.
Okay, and same thing here. All octet, 3 octet belongs to the network ID, means it will become 24. 24 bits, right? 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24.
24.
Understood?
Yes.
Now, this value, we will call it as your CIDR.
Class interdomain routing. Class like interdomain routing.
Understood?
Yeah.
And what I have written here, this is called subnet mask.
Subnetting mask.
Understood, right? Okay, can I go ahead now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now let's see one example. I will take the class C IP address. So 192.168.1.0/24. Now, what is my first IP? 1.1, right? This is my first IP. This is my first IP. Okay. What could be my last IP? What dot? 254.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
This is my last IP.
Yeah.
This is my last IP. Okay, 1.255. What is this?
Broadcast.
Sorry?
The broadcast IP.
This IP is called broadcast IP. Tabrez, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So why did you off your camera, man? Okay, a very important topic, guys. This is your daily work, but based on this IP addressing concept is very important.
Mhm.
I think Faraz has missed today. I don't know why. Understood, right?
Yep.
Okay. So let's talk about the subnetting. So how we calculate the subnetting for this one? So subnet for default. Suppose I'm talking about the default subnet mask. Default subnet mask. So what is the default subnet mask for this? 255.0.0.0.
255.255.0.0.
Okay.
And 255.255.255.2. No,
Understood, right?
no.
255. The third one is
Yeah.
255.255.0.
So this
That's
is
right.
default subnet mask. So these all are same, dub, like 255. So we are not bothered about this one, multicasting IP. So this is a default, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Understood, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's jump, which I now the core of the IP addressing. Up to here, understood, right, guys?
Mhm.
No problem,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay. See, now we can see I have Google from this thing just to show you once again. So we can see the class ABC. So these all after network ID, host ID, and multicast. So class D is specially used for your multicasting, class C for the reserve bits.
Mhm.
Okay, if you talk about the range, the class ABC, I told you, right, 1 to 126. Subnet mask is 255.0.0, and example 1.1, lead bit 8, maximum number of network is 128. Okay, so used for the large host. If you have the many hosts, there we can use it. Okay, and remain all things, same thing what we did. This is the default subnet mask. This is the example, okay, /16/24. Okay, now if you talk about what is the class full address, okay, now what is your class full addressing? So class full addressing, network addressing, internet architecture for 1981 till classless inter-domain routing was introduced in 1993. That is a CIDR. This addressing method divided IP address into 5 separate class based on the 4 addressing bits. That is a class A, B, C, D, I, R, as we discussed just now.
Mhm.
Right? This is a class A, B, C, right? As we can see, these are already given the range. We already discussed this one, class A, B, C. So now, if we talk, how does it look like for Optic? Same thing, just I want to show you, if you want, I can share you the link. Once you can go through it. Class A, how network bits change and your subnet mask change. Please pay some attention here. I'll make it big here. So this chart is quite very important, very good information. See, the possible IP address, if it is /8, means this is the class A, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
This is your class A. This is the possible IP address we'll get. Okay, if we talk about the class from here, class B, right? And this is your class C. So these are the possible IP address we'll get. 65,535. 35 means that is a multicast IP. Up to 34 IP address we can use it. Okay, and here 254. Okay, 255 is your multicasting.
Yes.
Okay, so now see, we have to pay attention here. When I'm going to explain now subnetting, guys. The next topic, subnetting. If I start doing subnetting, so we should know your subnet mask will change. Suppose, I think I told yesterday, if this network bit portion became 27, Okay, what could be my subnet mask? Subnet mask might be 255.254. Okay, how it will be 224? How it will begin the 224? See, right now what I'm
What was the question?
the question is, say example 192.168 1.0/27. Okay, this is the IP address. What is the default subnet mask?
It will be
255.255.255. Correct. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the default gateway subnet mask for /24, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what is the subnet mask for this?
255.
255.254. You can see, right?
220.
Why? It has written right here.
It's 120. It's 120, 192, 224. Yeah. Good.
I will tell you how it has come to brace. Okay, let me explain this. It's very simple. It's not the big rocket science here.
Yeah.
Right. See. So this IP address belongs to which one? Class C, right?
Yeah.
I see.
Class C means last portion belongs to your host.
Yes.
Right. So let's take the last portion. So what is the last portion here? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you know that this will become all are one, right? It will become 255.
The 3 bits is on right now. The 3 bits.
Yes, yes. Means 24, 25, 26, 27.
Yes.
Right. So 27. What is the value? 1, 2, 3. So 128 plus 64 plus 38. How much? 128, 64, 38. How much will become? Got it?
Yeah.
तबरे समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yep.
Okay. So let's give some small test to Tabriz. Okay, Tabriz, अभी मैं क्या करूँगा आपको? I'll do these changes. Say if my CADR value became 29, what could be my subnet mark now? You tell me.
29, right?
Yeah. For Tabriz. I think Hafiz can do it now. No problem. I have the confidence in this topic.
4, 4, 4, 4, 6. 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 16. Plus 16. It's 248. It should be 248.
Hafiz, this question is only for Tabriz.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
That's 1, 4.
Because he's a system engineer, Hafiz.
Oh, okay.
He's system engineer. He's not into networking. Because his current company has put him into networking job as well now. That's the reason he's learning CCNA.
Oh, okay.
See, he's taking his own time.
So I was asking this question now that my focus want to be on security, especially cyber security. Do I need to know something regarding software engineering?
Not required.
Huh?
See, for the cyber security, so you'll be having many things, Hafiz. See, cyber security will come many things. Cyber security for operating system. Like we have different types of operating system like iOS, Windows, Mac, Linux, Ubuntu, Fedora, a lot of operating system. Cybersecurity for applications, like cybersecurity for database, cybersecurity for network devices, cybersecurity for information, cybersecurity for wireless. Many things are there in cybersecurity.
Okay. Because if I'm thinking about if you go into actually networking, I was just thinking that you should have some knowledge in in programming.
No problem, because we will talk that one. I will talk to you. No problem. So I will give some best idea. I think three people they are coming from Angola. How far Angola from you, from your country?
Angola is in almost, I think in the central, almost South Africa, in the southern part of Africa.
So I think, one student, right? He came India in Mr. Nelson. He is running ICT center.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so he's tied up with our company. So he's sending some guys for it's like in our office. They want to learn CCNA, certified ethical hacking, network security, and with a global certification, then accommodation, everything. And two guys are doing this. One guy, he want to take the admission for degree BCA.
Yeah, I got it. So I don't know. Just
yes, tell me how much I should write here.
255.255.255.248.
248. Yeah. Okay. Is it correct, Hafiz?
Yes, correct.
Yes, very good. Okay, let's check this one whether the Tabriz is correct or not. See the result. So /29, right? Okay. 248.
Sir, okay. So just can you explain one more time again this one?
Yeah. See, as simple as this, Tabriz.
Yes.
So when this value change, this CADR value change, say example, I will take another value. Let's say this is a class C, right? So let's take for class B now. Okay, so let's say 172.16.1.0, okay, /16. So what is the default subnet mask? 255.255.0.0. Correct. Okay. Okay, 172.16.1.0. Okay, if I write /90. So what is my subnet mask?
.55.
No. See,
no, it's 16.
This is the class B, right? Class B. The class B is 16 default. The subnet mark default subnet is 255.255.0.0, right? Because 2 octet belongs to the network. Okay. Okay. This will become how much, right? And this will become your 255.255. Got it?
0.0.
So what should be my this thing? You want to see the chart?
Wait. 16, 18. B25. Is it 19 /19?
Yeah, /19.
Well, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that's 3. Will be 255 dot 3
Okay.
dot which one? 25 24 25 255 dot 26 27 227
Sorry,
7.
Are you sure 227?
Mm-hmm. 25, 26, 27. Yeah.
See, man, as simple as C. Tabriz,
E.
first understand. See, 1, 2, 2 octet. So if you got the 2 octet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much will it become? 8 plus 8, 16.
16, yeah.
16, 17, 18, 19.
10, yes.
19. So 3 bits are high. If the 3 bits are high, what is the value?
128.
How much quickly became? 224.
224. The first
Got
3
it?
bits are called 224, yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
Tabriz. See, what is this value? This value will become 255, 255, 224.0 for this one, 224.0.
Yeah, 224.
Got it? Understood?
Mhm.
55, 255. So these 3 bits, you're saying 3 bits, right?
Yeah, 3
So-
bits. How? Because 8. How much? 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19. Okay. 8 is 2255. 8 is 255.
Yeah.
Then 3 bits. Okay. 3 bit if you add, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you add these 3, 128 plus 64 plus 32. If you add these 3 bits, it will become 2 to 4. And this remaining thing all 0. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last octet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this will become 0. Now you understood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, let me just maybe can I Mr. Ty, can I add this one? I don't know if I'm getting it right.
Yeah.
So maybe what's his name? Tavares?
Yes. Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, maybe he will get it right. Understand?
Yeah.
All right. If you look at the class A, the first octet, which is the network, belongs to the network, right?
Yeah.
And the rest is the host. Okay. The network is 255.255.0.0.0. The 255 means that all the bits on the network are on. That's the reason why it's 255. Everything is on. And the host 000 behind it, it means everything is off. That's the reason why we have 255.0.0.0. All right. So for example, if we have and which is the way you do the how do I call it classless interdomain routing, which says 172 you say 172.16.1.0/16, it means that you have added, I mean that you come to class B, you have added to the two network, that means all the bits on that network are on, right? And the rest are 0. So for example, when he said 172.16.1.0/19, that means the network will be 255.255, which is 8 plus 8, which is that two it is on, all the bits on our first network is on, the second network, everything is on. The third are supposed to be the host. He added 3 bits on. That's the reason why we get the 19. He added 3 bits on, that is 1, 1, 1, from 18, 16, 17, 18. And the rest is 0. That's when he did the calculation. If you see the calculation on the board there, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. And then if you look at on top of it, everything is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means all that bit is on. But when it's off, where he has a 19, the slash 19, that means 3 bits here, put on 3 bits, which is 128, 64, 32. So if you add that 3 bits, you have 2, 2, 4, if I'm right with the calculation. You understand?
Yes, correct.
The rest will become 0. I don't know if I make you to understand better in the layman terms.
See, in the list, I think it has mentioned clearly, okay, so which I written, I think this is your class A, and this is 16, this is your class B, and 24, and this is your class C. When, okay, when this bit borrowed value change, okay, and your subnet mask also change. Why I'm explaining more details here is because the next topic I'm going to discuss the subnetting. For subnetting, okay, if you understood this better, subnetting you can understand very easily. Tabriz, समझ में आ रहा है? Any questions? I think I'm sure I think still is not clear for you. I'm sure I can see your face. I can read your mind.
Okay. Can we like do one more like
Example? Yeah. One more example. Yeah. Okay. So let's say I will take the same value now. Let's keep it down here. Okay, I will take 192.168. Say this 100.0. Okay, then /25. Fine. /25. So what could be my subnet mask? 255.255.255 dot. As simple as Tabriz. Simple. Understand? Rather than this. 0? No, it's not 0. See, first understand. Okay. First understand. See, I have it. If it is 24 means this is a subnet mask, right?
Yes.
If it's 24. Now it is 25 now. 1 bit is on now.
One bit is on.
1 bit is on. Means 128.
Okay.
See how it is kept. So first understand this. 255.255.251. So let me write it down completely. Okay. First octet. See, this is which one? This is my class C, right?
C.
This is my class C. Okay. All 24 bit. Let's talk about 24. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how much will become this one?
255.
You tell me how this 255 has come?
Because those bits are on.
On means if you add this, it will become 255.
Yes.
On.
Yeah.
Right. Same thing. This 255. Then this also 255. Fine. So now how many are there? This one? 8 plus 8
16.
plus 8. How much will become this one?
24.
24. So as per my requirement, this is okay. If it is /24, but I have written /25 now,
Yes.
means one more bit is on here.
Okay. And the
24
rest will be zeros, right?
rest will be 0.
Yeah, the rest is 0. That's right.
Yeah.
1,
So
2,
we are
3,
borrowing one bit from
5,
there,
6,
right?
7, 8. Yes, that's it.
Okay. Yeah, because I was like confused, like how to
Yeah,
be
yeah.
honest with you guys.
Yes.
Uh,
Now you got it, right?
yeah.
How much? 8 plus 8, 8. 24 plus 1, 25. So one bit is
25.
on here. One bit is on means the first bit is 128.
Yes.
That is 128. That's it.
Okay.
Understood, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now you do it, Tabriz, for, say, example, let me change this value. I will change to these 31.
One.
I will change to 31 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How much will become? 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 0.
Yes.
So this will become 255,
255,
255,
255,
255 dot
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 4,
Is it
5, 6, 7.
254?
Yeah, 254. For 128 plus 64.
Say example. Okay, just leave this bit. If you add this all bit, okay, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, and 2. How much will come? 8 plus 6, 12, 14, 20, 28, 32, 34. And 3 borrow from here, 3, 5,
2 to 4, right?
6, 11, 14, 15. Okay, 2, 1, and 1. 254. And this is 0. Here the last octet we had taken. Last octet value is this. This is same for all. Whether these or these octet. Understood, Tabriz? You are getting it, right? At least?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Yeah. Maybe
So,
I think tomorrow also you should continue with the IP addressing, Tabriz. Right?
Yes.
Okay, and the solution, I have very good solution. I don't want to tell you that. I will tell you later. Very easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a piece of cake.
Okay.
Not now. After completing this topic, once you understood completely IP addressing, subnetting, then I will tell you.
Okay.
That's right.
I think Hafiz, you know, right?
That'll be good. Yeah.
Don't tell now. Let Tabriz learn first. Then he will do that very easy, simple way, because people are getting they want easy things, everything. Let him struggle initially. Then only he will understand this concept. If I told now means he'll not pay attention here. It is very easy why we should learn this.
Okay.
First you learn this. Any question, Tabriz, here? If you want to do this one cross verifications, so let's check this one cross verifications. You can see, right? So what is value I have given here? So I mentioned, I think 31, right? 31 is not there in the list. That is 224, 255, 255, 254 it is. Okay, but last IP address, which is used for multicasting. Last IP address. That's the reason he has not mentioned here.
Okay.
Okay. So can we jump for subnetting now?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I'll be leaving around about, what's the time now? 10:20, no?
Yeah.
So what's your time? 10:51 AM, right? Oh,
Yes.
I have time. I have time. I have
Okay.
time. Yeah.
Okay. So now we'll do this is 254. So now we'll do the subnetting. So why do we require subnetting? Okay, the subnetting is nothing but it is a process of dividing the big network into small network. Okay, the process of dividing big network into or multiple small network. Like this also we can say. Okay, so why do you require this subnetting? Okay, it is the process of dividing the big network into your small network. Say example, so let me tell you this. So example, you have one company, say your bank, Tabriz. Okay, so XYZ bank, you have the five departments. Okay, so each department you want to divide. You have the 5 different departments. So how we are going to do? Suppose they ask, your manager asks to use your class C IP address 192.168, say example 1.0/24. He asks us to divide this network. Say example, this network is example, this is your admin department.
Hello?
And this is management.
You hit her. I had to hit her. Okay? Please, off the laptop, go to bed now. Off the laptop, go to bed.
Oh.
Don't hit her, okay? She's small. Okay? Next time उसकी नहीं मन लगता तुम्हारा बहनी हम सुना बेटा अब सुना I had it Peter I had it हमारा क्लास सुना बेटा कैसे तुम करता है सर I'm so sorry guys.
It's okay, no problem, Tabriz. Like if you want to stop, I can stop it so that we can start with the fresh mind tomorrow.
No, we can continue.
Are you sure? No issues?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah. Just kids, you know.
Yeah, no. See, you have the 5 different departments. You have some security department, IT team, okay, or sales team, and marketing team. So the requirement, you have the 5 subnet. It's a very simple calculation. It's not a big the rocket science. I think, you know, if we have the formula, I think 2 to the power of n is greater than equals to your number of subnets. There are many ways to calculate that, to do the subnetting. This is the formula to calculate the subnet. So my requirement is 5 departments. I have the 5 departments in my organizations. So example, this is my XYZ company. Okay. So I have the 5, my requirement is 5 subnet. The calculation is very simple. Okay. So it should be greater than equals. Remember this, it should be greater, it should not be less than. Okay.
Because it's big department, right?
Yeah. So 5 department is there. So I want to know how many IP address will get in each department. Your manager said to use this IP address. This is the network ID, remember. And when you
Yes.
see 1.0 or 0.0, remember this is not the IP address. This is the network ID.
Okay.
Got it? This is not the IP address. This is the network ID. Then what is IP address now? IP address is this 192.168 1.1 is IP address /24.
Yes.
If it is 1.0 means this is not the IP address. This is your network ID.
Yeah.
Don't get confused.
Okay.
1.1, 1.2, 1.3 up to 1.254. These all are, we'll call it as your network ID. Sorry. IP address, sorry. Sometime IP address. And what is network ID here? Network ID is 1.0. Don't get confused. Understood, Tabrez?
Yeah.
So now you tell me, okay, I'm writing one IP address, say example 192.168, say 100.110/24. Okay, this is, what is this? This is the network ID or IP address? You tell me this.
This is the IP address.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the, this is the IP address. Very good. I agree with you. Now, what is the network ID for this? Network ID. Simple. See 0, right? Okay. Then 100.1, 100.2, okay, 110, like they up to 110, then 111, 112, up to 255. Understood? Understood or still is not clear, Tabrez? I
No,
can
it's clear,
repeat.
it's clear.
I can repeat once again, no issue, because you should know this.
Yeah.
Okay, it starts from 0. Whenever you see 0, okay, it is the network ID. It is not the IP address. Remember that.
Okay.
Okay, so the process of dividing the big network into small one. Okay, so our requirement is, okay, you have the 5 departments in your organization. Say example, XYZ bank. Okay, so this is your organization. So you have a lot of different departments, 5 departments. So your manager asked to use this 192.168, okay, 1.0/24. This is the network ID. He asked us to do the subnetting for 5 departments. Okay, so as you know that 2 to the power of n is greater than equals to your number of subnets. Okay, so now 2 to the power of n. Okay, so how, when it will become 5? So it should be 2 into 2 into 2. How much will become? 8. Correct?
Yes.
So means 2 3 times equals 8. Okay, the formula what has given here. So 2 power of n should be greater or equals to number of subnet. Number of subnet is 5 we want. Right. But we can take 8, right? No problem. It should be greater than equals. It should not be less than. Right. So now we can take this value, right? Now your n value will become 3. 1, 2,
1, 2,
3. Means 2, 3 times equals 8. No problem, because still we'll be having another 3 department, which is the reserved IP address. We can use later. Maybe in the company will add some more different department. We can add VLANs. We can assign this IP address. No problem. We can do that. Okay. Now n values became 3, right? Got it? Means 2, 3 times became 8, right? Okay. So now number of subnet is we required 5. Okay, but we are doing for 8. No problem, because formula is satisfied, right? As per the formula. Now n value became 3. Now we'll come to the point now. So how we have to do this in the submitting now? So let me make it big now. So what is IP address has given? 192.168.1.0, right? Class 24. So now how we'll write this one? 192.168 1.1234567 correct?
Yes.
This is actually IP address, right? In binary format.
Yeah.
Right. So now we can see the n value became 3 now. Okay. How we can divide? So 1, 2, 3. Let me get black pen. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me figure this.
Vara, here it better.
Okay. So I'll give space here. Oh, big space now. Okay, is it 8 now? See, okay, 1, 2, 3. The n value became 3. What we had done, right? So 1, 2, 3, just divide this one. Now, this will become your network and this will become your host. Understood? Now n will become 3 now. If you want 8 departments also, same thing. Because we had done we required 5, no problem. Remaining 3 department, we can keep it in future. So now 3 octet belongs to network portion and 5 octet belongs to your host portion. Understood? So now let's see. So how we can write the first IP address?
192.168.1.3.
Yeah, good. So how we can write this IP address? So 192.168 1 dot, okay. How we can write this? 02. Now you tell me before writing this. Let me ask this question to Hafiz. Hafiz?
Yes.
Okay. You're following us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what we got it. So now I want to know how many network I will get and each network, how many IP address I will get. Now. Let me clean it down. You understood question?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, this is my network portion. This is my host portion. What we have calculated. Actually, we want 5 subnets. Means I have the 5 department in my organization.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I want to know, okay, how many network I'm getting now? Okay, how many network? And in each network, how many IP address?
Okay, network will be 1, 2, 3, 3.
1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
2 into 2 into 2, 8.
It's
Means 8 network. That's it.
Yes.
That's it, right? Okay.
mm-hmm.
One network, start from 0. Okay, 1,
Mm,
2, 3, 4, 5,
right.
6, 7, 8.
The move from there
Oh,
is start.
okay, I forgot 1, 2, 3, man. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 7, up to 7.
So the next
You start from
network
0,
will be-
right? Start from 0.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, if you
So
write
the-
in binary value, okay, 1, 2, 3,
2, 3.
0, 0, 1,
1,
0, 1, 0,
1,
0, 1, 1,
1,
1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I think you understood this. Now I want to know, I'm getting 8 network now.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have the 5 bits which belongs to my host. Now this is my network 1, right? 1, 2, 8 network, I got it. In each network, how many IP address now? This is the question. Very interesting, Tabrez. And very important for network engineer.
It'll be like 1, 2. It'll be like 7 IPs. With the exception, no, 6, and the broadcast make it 7.
Let me on my camera, man. Okay. Hafiz, you are very serious, man. Why, man? Don't take tension in the life. Don't take tension. It's very simple. Okay. See, the formula they have given it. Okay. So that is 2 to the power of h minus 2.
Yeah.
Right. H means number of bits. How much? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. How much will become? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much became? 32. 32 minus 2. How much will become? 30 IP address. Is it correct? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Correct? Minus 2. Means minus 2, what is that means? First IP, last IP we are using for broadcasting and multicasting. Means in each network you are getting how much? 32 IP. Tabrez, you understood? Understood, Tabrez?
Yes.
Okay, now if you calculate, okay, so 8 into 32, how much? Let me use calcium.
56.
Sorry?
256.
Correct, right?
Yeah.
So I think 256. but you are not calculate -2. Okay, because one IP address we are not using. It is used for multicasting. तब समझ में आ गया आपको? Hafiz, you understand Urdu or Hindi?
No.
Man, you was there in India for 3 months now. You are not learned anything.
But I think Hafiz, they know Arabic, right?
Come again?
You guys speak Arabic too, huh? Like Sudan guys, they speak Arabic, no?
No, sir, no, we don't speak Arabic.
Oh, okay. South Sudan, they speak Arabic.
Yeah, South Sudan speak Arabic, yeah.
What?
And some, I think Malawi people also, they speak Arabic.
Malawi, yeah. So there was some student from Malawi into UTL, Angola.
Yeah.
There was, yeah.
There are many from Malawi. Okay.
Okay,
So
I want to
understood,
ask a question.
Tabriz,
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? सच बताओ. Tell me yes or no. Zeros or one. One is yes, zero means no.
Half.
No half of average.
Only
2 things. You understood yes or no, true or false. Because we are the computer engineer, right? We can understand zeros and ones. One means yes, zero means no.
Okay, sir. Can you explain one more time?
Yes.
Because the kids are like even.
Yes, I do understand. No problem. See, let's say one scenario. Okay. So let me so let me take the clear one example. So let's say I have one IP address 192.168.1.0/24. Okay. So now you want the 5 departments in your organizations. 5 department in your organization. Say example, this is your organizations. So where you are running 8 departments. You don't know how many IP address you are getting in each department. Maybe some XYZ bank. Okay. So now, so the question they have given, like, you want me to use this IP address, this network ID. And what kind of IP address is this? This is your
Class C.
This is your private IP address, right?
Private, yeah.
This is your private IP address. Still, I'm not talking about what is public IP and what is your private IP address. Right now, we are discussing only your private IP address.
Private IP.
We shall discuss about public IP address as well, maybe tomorrow. Okay, this is the Class C IP network, what they are given. Okay, they have given a very simple formula to calculate the department. So there are many ways we can do the calculations. Okay, that is formula is 2 to the power of n is greater than equals to your number of subnets. Okay, number of subnets you required 8, right? So if you calculate 2 times 3 equals 8, right?
Yeah.
Right. Now your n value will become your 3 times.
Yeah.
Right. So as you know that, so in your Class C, last octet belongs to your host, correct?
Yes.
And this all octet belongs to your network. Now we have to take only the host, because we are calculating how many hosts will get in this network and how many network. That's the reason we are taking the last octet. Fine. In case, suppose, what if 172.16.1.0/16? Okay, Tapas, now you tell me, so which octet you are going to calculate here? Same thing, my requirement is, I want the 5 departments, I have my XYZ bank. Okay, I need 5 subnets. The IP address, he has given this IP address.
Okay.
This is not IP address. This is your network ID.
Network ID.
Okay, so now you tell me, so which octet you are going to calculate?
And the last
One is
octet?
Last
One,
octet, this one?
No, 0.
This?
Yeah.
No,
No, it'll be 1 and 0, I think.
no, man. You should take this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tabrez, understand first. See, this is which IP address? This is your class B,
Plus
right?
B.
B.
Mhm.
This is class B. The class B is what? This is your network, host and host. Correct.
Mhm.
Now we have to take this octet, this one, not this. It starts from LSB left hand side to right hand side. So here we should take from left hand side. We are going to take this octet, not this octet, because it is a class B. Right? As per our scenario, okay, as per our scenario, so we will take this class C only. Okay, we know we got the 3 now, n value. We are going to take the last octet. Okay, what is the last octet value? 192, 168, 1.1234567 correct?
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay, the n value is 3, right? So 1, 2, 3, just divide this.
Right.
Okay, and this is my network
Network.
portion. This is
Is
my
the
host. Got it? Now 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 power of 2 into 2 into 2 will become your equals 8. Means 8 network. Okay, and this for the host. So what is the formula for the host? 2 power of h
Yeah.
minus 2.
Minus 2.
Okay, it will become 30. Means in each network, okay, say example 1.001. Okay, how many IP addresses will get? 1 to 31. Correct. You got
Yeah.
32 right here, 32. And same thing, 1 dot, okay, 0.1.0, that is 33 to 32, I think 63. I'm correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then 1.1. So this will be, we can write 0.11. I think binary octal value, you know, right? Tabrez, I think you might study in your degree.
Yeah.
Octal and hexa values, decimal to octal conversions. Understood?
Yes.
Like it keep going, like 64.
Hmm.
Every time 32 is going to add it. 32.
Yeah.
Okay. Again plus 32 will become 64. Then again 32.
Hmm.
It will become from 96 up to 1.1.1. I think it will become last value 254. Understood this one?
Mhm.
Okay, let's give one more example. Let's say so now, so I want 4 subnets. Okay, so we'll take same IP address 192.168.1.0/24. Fine. So now how we are going to calculate this? Formula is same, right? 2 into 2 equals 4, right? Now n value became 4. Correct.
Yeah.
So now we are going to calculate this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Tabrez, you tell me why I'm taking this octet always? Why I'm taking this only?
Because that one is host.
Very good. Okay. So now I required only four subnet this time. So if you calculate 2 into 4, the formula is correct, right?
1, 2, yeah.
4. Okay. Now n values became like how much? It became your n values 2 or 4 here.
4.
No, man. It's 2.
Oh yeah, 1, 2. Yeah.
1 and 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So now how we can calculate 1 and 2? That's it, right? So now this is my network portion. This is my host. In host, how many bits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So 2 times 7, how much?
6. It's 6 or 7.
6.
6. Yeah. 6.
Okay. Means that indicate that you are focusing on the training. Good. Because like wantedly I did. I want to check your this and concentration.
Yeah.
It's a late night right there.
Yeah, it's like from the morning I'm sitting down to computer. It's like about 13 hours for me. That's
Oh, hi. Your daughter is backside.
why. You wanna go to bed? Say hi to
Hi, assalamu alaikum.
How are you?
Good.
Good, mashallah, mashallah. What is your name?
Hey, you नाम पूछा आपने?
Maida.
माहिरा. आपको उर्दू आता है? थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है?
Yes.
Okay, good. We'll talk later, beta. We'll see later. I will talk to you the free time in Sundays, inshallah. Okay. Fine. So now what is the value of this one? We can 6, right? Okay.
6, yeah.
6, right? So 2 times 6, how much?
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2 is 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to 16, 16 to the 32, 32 into 2,
32.
64.
64.
Right? So now you tell me like how what is how many network we are getting here? Office,
Yes.
how many network?
2.
2, right?
0,
0, 0, 0, 1.
Yeah.
Okay, then here also how much we are getting? 64 and 64. How much you get?
128.
Okay, but we should get 255, right?
Yeah.
Now you tell me, is this something we are missing here? Means we have done wrong, right?
Yeah, I think we do something wrong because
Hmm.
I'm looking at the network up there.
Tabrez,
I'm a little bit confused.
use this thing. So what is the formula? 2 to the power of n is greater than equals to your number of subnets.
Subnet.
So number of subnets, what we want?
One is 4. Number of subnet 1 is 4.
Right. 2 into 2 equals became 4. Is it equal, right? Is it correct what we did?
No.
This is n value.
Two times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Yeah, it's 2 raised to the power n and it's 4. 2 raised to the power n greater than or
Hmm.
less equal to number of subnet, and the
So
number of
that
subnet one is 4.
n is equals to 3, right? Or if I'm right?
If it is 8 subnets, suppose if you required, say 5 subnets. So as per the formula, 2 power of n. So 2 to the 4 means 2 times, it will become 4. Is it we are satisfying this formula?
No.
Means we should take one more 2.
Yes. It will be greater than, yeah.
Is it correct, Hafiz?
Yeah, I think we should get another 2.
So then it will become 8.
It'll be subnet, so it's not right.
Right. Then it will become 8.
It will be 8 subnets.
It became 8 subnet now. So my requirement is only 4. I don't want 8. My requirement is only 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, where's the power?
Hmm.
4, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go there. Minus 2 is 52. Minus 62.
Hafiz, you come up with the solution for this. Okay. As you know that it should be 255, right? So what we did is wrong. Right? Okay. So what else is missing here? Where we went wrong? This is a small assignment because I think Hafiz has got some idea. I'm sure I think he will come up with the solution tomorrow. Can I expect tomorrow? I want only 4 subnet in my company. Okay, I want to know how many network I will get, and in each network, how many IP address.
Okay.
Okay, so try to figure it out. This is a small homework. Okay, this is my question. Okay, and tomorrow I will tell you the solution. And tomorrow we shall also discuss many things are there in IP address because
This is 24, right, sir?
yes.
24, right?
Yeah, I don't want 5 subnet. In my organization, I have only 4 departments. I want only 4 subnets. I want to know in each network how many IP address I will get and how many network I will get. So still a lot of things I want to explain today. See, this next topic I want to explain this octet format. Yeah, so this is quite I want to explain. Maybe tomorrow we'll start with this. So this is the network IP addressing, and this is public IP, and you are this in private IP. So are you familiar with the IANA? Tabriz, you know
Yes,
about
sir.
IANA? IANA?
Ayana?
Yeah.
No, sir.
So
No,
Internet
no.
Assigned Number Authority. So it is
No.
organization in US because we are staying there in America. So these people manage the IP addressing for throughout the world.
Okay.
So IANA private IP address range. If you click on here, okay, so we can see this on the range 100, 100. This is the IP address. They manage it. IBM private IP address, IANA. Yeah, so this is the IANA. You can see. So this we shall discuss maybe tomorrow. What is IANA? Internet as a Number Authority. So these people, they manage the IP addressing format.
Okay.
See, as a /8, this is the network RFC 792. Documentation how they had designed it. Allocation dates 1981 9. Source to destination. These are the range we can see. That's the reasons American, because they monitor the network. So if we talk about this one, 240, 240 the reserved bit, and this is only for use for the defense. So 240 range. Okay, if you want, I will share you this link, in the chat box.
Yeah.
Okay, so in the chat box, so we can go through it once. Okay, I think if you want the tomorrow's topic, this is quite very important. So these links also I'll share you. Just go through it.
Yeah.
Before sitting in the class, day by day, the topic is going to be very heavy. Sabres?
Yes.
Okay, Hafiz and you also. I think I'll talk to the Faraz today why he missed important training. So IP addressing, classing range. Yeah. So this link also I'll share you. Just go through it. And tomorrow I will tell you very simple solution for this. Today I don't want to.
I know you make me struggle today.
Yes.
I know, sir.
I think Hafiz know the solution. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Very easy. Like it's like a piece of cake. Nowadays, most people they are using it. So let it struggle this thing. Hafiz, you're following me, right?
Yeah, I'm following. Yeah.
So we should discuss about the IANA. Okay, the list of IP addresses range. One more thing, like NTP IP, the different country you can check for your country. So NTP server, Indian IP address and ports. You can see. So these we can use in your for configuration, guys. Very important, Tabrez and Hafiz. And this is quite very important to understand. So see, for every organization, every country, okay, so they'll be having NTP servers IP address, NTP server Indian IP address and ports. We can see this IP address where or in India they are using it, and with the port number this one. This is the NTP, right? NTP. What is NTP?
Network transfer protocol.
Network
Transfer protocol.
Network time protocol. Okay, it's a network time protocol. So
Yeah.
I think you can see DNS. If you want to see the long stands, you can see the network time protocol.
Yes.
Service through summary.yang for every country. Suppose let's see what is the NTP server in Sierra Leone. What is this one? Can you spell your country name?
SIE.
SIE.
RRE.
Of course. Sierra.
Sorry.
Sierra
Sierra Leone.
Leone IP address and port. See, this is your country, what they are using the IP address. Okay, so this is Africa zone, server 0123, and this is the network time protocol they are using. These are the server they are using it. Sierra Leone.
Yep.
And IP address, they have given some range in Sierra Leone. This thing we should discuss in coming session. We'll see. Same thing. I think California, I don't know. What is the California? These Americans people are very smart, man. They'll not mention here. California. They'll hide. See, we cannot see, right? Can you see? See, network time protocol server, California IP address and port. We cannot see, right? So
Oh.
GitHub list of the public timer, India, North America. Let's see this.
Oh, this
This
is the different side. That's where is Ayana? North America. Ayana is in North America.
Ayana.
Yeah, is it North America? That's in Maryland.
It's one of the organization. It's a this one.
Yeah, Ayana is located in that organization located in North America side.
Mhm. I think you can see purpose registry. If we talk about more text, IFT has reserved the address block from 192.68 is the range. Okay, and tomorrow we shall discuss the new topic, this thing. So how to write the binary values. So 192.168.1.1/24. Tavares, this is the IP address or this is the network ID?
There's the IP address.
Yes. Okay, so can you write the binary number for this? How we can write?
1 like 11111.111 like 8 ones.
Okay,
Right.
this is the decimal value, right?
Yeah.
Decimal format. If you want to write in binary, how will write? Let me explain this very simple way. Then we'll stop the session today. See, this is I think you might know about these values, right? I think we have written somewhere here. Yeah. So let me write it down here. So I want to write the binary value for 192.168.1.1. How I can write binary value for this? How I can write this one?
192 is 11111. No, 192 is 11000. 192 plus 64. No.
How much will come? I think no.
No, that one is 0.
Okay.
192 plus 64, so it's 11.
Okay. Let me write 11.
The rest is 0 dots.
All 0?
Yeah, 192. Because it's 8 bits, so you have to, for him to understand, so you have to write all the 8 bits.
Let me calculate this. 120/64. How much?
It's
192, right?
Yeah. So it's 2 bits on, the rest is 0 dots.
Okay. So this all are 0, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah,
Then
dots.
Yes.
168. So how the 168?
168, 0.
0. Tabres, you know how this has become? This is the binary value.
0, 1, 1.
This is the decimal value.
Yeah.
This is the decimal format.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the binary what we are writing. Do you know
Yeah.
why this has become 11000 all?
Yeah, because there is this is 2 network over here, right? And the rest is host.
See, I'm writing this 192.168.1.1 in binary value. This is the binary value, right?
Yeah.
Okay, why this 1 remaining all are 0?
I don't know.
Okay, this one. Because 128 plus 64, how much? 192.
192. Yeah.
First 2 bits are high, remaining all are 0. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, 168. How I can write 168?
168.
168. It's
64 plus 32?
Yes.
Plus 16?
Plus 8. No, plus 8.
plus 8. Okay,
Yeah.
10, 14, right? 10, 10, 104.
Not 64, 128. The first bit was 128,
128.
32.
Mm-hmm. One
30,
28.
yeah,
30.
32 plus 8.
So how much will become? Tabrez, calculate this. 8 is 16, 17, 18. Right? 1, 4, 5, 6.
168.
168. Means 128. What is 128 here?
This 1.
Okay. First bit
1.
is 1. Okay,
1.
you just wait. Only Tabrez, you tell me.
Yeah.
1,
1 0.
1, 0.
Yes.
Then
1 0 0. I forget.
8 is 1 right here.
Yeah.
1, right? Then this 0, 32 is 1. Okay, 16 is 0, 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. Got it? This is what value we added, right? 128, 0. We have not taken 64, we have taken 32. This one we have taken. Okay, then 8 we have taken. Remaining all are 0. Then it will become 168. That is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 1, 0, 1, 0, and this is also 1. Okay, now last value is 1. 1 means how much, what is the binary value? How is
0,
that?
0, 0, 0, 0, 1.
0, 0, 0, 0.
1.
So for the second one is like 1 0 1 0. You're missing another 0 in last.
1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1,
Then-
2, 3.
Yep.
Correct?
Yeah.
Now, how this became 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 7, 0, 0, and 1, 1. How it became Tabrez? कैसा हुआ ये 1? Because of this one, right?
Yes.
Because of this. Last one. And same thing, one more one. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, and 1.
1.
This is, we'll call it as the binary value. This is what computer can understand, only this. He don't know what is 192 class A, B, C, D. He don't know. He know only this language.
Okay.
Okay.
So, I
So-
have to go now, pick up my
Yes,
wife.
yes. I'm going to stop the session now. Okay. So then we'll see you tomorrow, guys. I think tomorrow we shall continue
Yeah.
the session. And all the best. Take care, guys. Inshallah, we'll continue from tomorrow. And
Okay,
Hafiz,
inshallah.
please come up with the solution, both Tabriz and Hafiz.
Okay.
I want only 4 subnet. In my company, I have the 4 departments. 4 subnet I want. I want to know how many network I'm getting.
And
Okay.
how many